This is a short video about the engine start with external pneumatic and electrical power. Any jet airliner sometimes has to be dispatched with the APU inoperative. Then external pneumatic and electrical sources have to be used to start one engine. Then crossbleed start is used for the second one. Here in Amsterdam we did just that. We requested to start one engine on the stand, then the air starter unit and the ground power unit were disconnected. After the pushback, the second engine was started. Enjoy the video!
Hello, milieu vol 62 Yankees down for ready for push and start. We need one engine and just the focus.
Bulgaria 462, one engine start, escape approved, idle power only, report ready for the pushback.
One engine idle approved, go back for the push, follow you,
21 Victor Yankee, report first wave of the tower, 118,
Speeds at dust.
with
What sound threat and 941 cross check. APU off, beacon on, parking brake is switched on.
Airbus 86 Romeo Zulu and Victor Mike,
ground cockpit.
160.
This prepared for one engine start and you may apply air pressure.
Perfect, I will turn up.
Left engine on. Stop.
One clear.
Telemann 753, hello, come to the one.
Cruise clear.
Delta 7.
Go start engine 2.
Approved, Delta 73.
Right engine check.
KLM 755, standby 121-9005. American 203, standby 121-9005.
10905, American 103.
KLM 789, after Delta, pull out Alpha 14, start approved. KLM 879, after Delta, pull out, start approved.
After Delta, pull out, start approved, KLM 879, set up.
Ground, we have 2 starts, maybe disconnect.